Now that I have this folder with all my images, I'm going to use them by putting them on my timeline. If you close this accidentally, it doesn't mean that it's gone. I'm going to collapse this and double click. See the master there? That's our sequence. Double click on the little icon and it comes right back. Now this is the folder where my favorite assets are. If I go into it, I now only see these things. To get back out of the folder, this is your escape hatch right here. The little up arrow on the folder takes you back so you can see all the things again. Let's take a look at adding these to the timeline. I'm going to be adding first my title. So look for your intro title and you drag it over here to your timeline. Put it on the video 2 track above the warning color. And then we need our first category, which may not be the alphabetical one. I look up here, okay, this is places. So I'm going to go get my places title and drop it next. Now notice how it's jumping to its best guess of where I want it. And that's good. That means that it won't overlap as easily. So try not to overlap because then you're kind of wiping it out. If necessary and you have a gap, move your laser pointer out of the way. It's using that as a guess. And now we've got those right next to each other, no gap. Let me go ahead and get my first 3 pictures. This is why numbering them was so important, because I can pick all 3 and drop them there all at once. And there's my 3 pictures. Now, please don't worry that it's so zoomed in. That was the whole point of this, is to have really big pictures that we can get this close. You cannot zoom in any more than this. This is as close as we can get, and you'll get to decide what you're zooming in on. So don't worry what it looks like right now. I'm going to do the rest of it really quickly. So I'm going to look at my next one, which is my animals. I drop it on there. I go back and get 4, 5, 6. And my last category is food. And get my food pictures, 7, 8, and 9. And that is building your master, all in a row, very zoomed in, yes, but we are going to be able to make those changes. Don't worry about if you filled up the warning color or not. Warning color is the only one that you're allowed to make it longer or shorter like that. Do not stretch these or collapse them. Many students will get confused. They see mine and theirs looks like this, and they go in and they stretch them out and make them longer, but that's more time. This is 5 seconds, no matter if you're zoomed way in or zoomed out. It zooms in on the laser, so it's called your current time indicator. But this is how you can zoom in and out. Just grab the end of the scroll bar.